Hello everyone, the HavocOS based on androidP is rolling out for Xiaomi devices. In this video, let's take a look at the top features of HavocOS and without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's start the video with the quick settings bar. The icons in the quick settings bar have not changed from the previous version of HavocOS based on Oreo, but the thing is that they have optimized the icons. The icons are quick and responsive. We are provided with a variety of icons to choose from and perform the task as soon as we can. I think the customized black and the red layout is enhancing the look as well. If we click the small pencil icon at the bottom, we are provided with a lot of quick settings icon to easily perform the task. The next thing I would like to talk about is the multitasking tab. It's quite different to enter the multitasking tab here. We can slightly swipe up to enter the same. Once the multitasking tab is open, we can manage the apps with a neatly organized layout. If we want to clear all the apps at once, we should slide from left to right to get the clear all button. In my opinion, the RAM management in this version has improved when compared to the previous versions. I'll talk about the RAM management later in this video. Next, coming to the most exciting feature in both androidP and HavocROM is the digital well-being. I know it's still in the beta version, but it's the most needed feature in Android. With this, we can monitor the usage time for every app and reduce the usage time and addiction. Speaking about the addiction, we can set the timer to restrict the usage for any app with this digital well-being feature. Once the timer is set and the timer crosses the limit, we can't open the app. I think this feature helps to reduce the addiction. And it's worth mentioning that we can also monitor the number of notifications received and the number of times the applications are opened. Now, let's see about the main features of HavocOS. We can customize the features and usage using the Havoc settings. Let's see about the status bar. We are provided with a whole lot of features. For example, we can double tap the status bar to sleep, and also we can control the brightness with the status bar. Next, they have also provided features like the one used to change the style of the battery indicator and customizing the status bar as well. Next, let's take a look at the quick settings tab of the Havoc settings. We can completely customize the look of the quick settings tab here. We can edit the number of rows and columns in both portrait and landscape view, and also we can change the size of the tile as well. We can change the arrangement of the brightness slider and also add a vibrating feedback to the touches made. Now let's move to the screen settings. The best feature available under this category is the Smart Pixel. We can enable this feature in addition to the battery saver option in order to save the battery. It mainly works by shutting down some pixels so that it can save the juice for the extended usage. Here we can change the number of pixels to shut down in order to save the battery, and I think this is the most exciting feature in this HavocOS. The next feature we are taking a look at is the navigation settings. We can add the androidP build to the layout by enabling the soft navigation bar, and it completely performs well. For example, we can toggle between the apps by simply sliding on the navigation pill. If needed, we can add some extra navigation buttons as well. The next feature which definitely deserves a mentioning is the buttons. We can perform a lot of cool actions with the features available. For example, we can skip the tracks by long pressing the volume buttons, and in my opinion, the option to control the backlight buttons did not work well as expected. We can add some functionalities to the other buttons as well and perform some quick tasks. The last and the final feature we are taking a look at is the animation section. With this, we can customize the animation set for each application and the lock animations as well. For example, if we change the animation of screen locking as CRT, we get a small animation similar to the powering of CRT monitors and televisions. This is really a cool feature, and hats off to the developers for adding this feature. Now coming to the app opening and transitions, I think the app opening is not fast as expected, and this must be rectified in the future updates. Coming to the RAM management, have a close eye on this video. I'll tell my observations in the end. As said before, the RAM management has been improved when compared to the previous versions, and the performance is also improved when compared to the older ones. Coming to the camera, these are some of the photos taken using the inbuilt Google camera coming with the HavocOS. I think the pictures are perfect and I didn't find any fault with the pictures. So that's it for the video guys. These are the top features of HavocOS. What do you think about them? Leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And this is Muklan from TechPatient signing off. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone. HavocOS based on Xiaomi.
That's over again. No lighting. Can't be careful.